You've studied English for years, grammar, vocabulary, all those textbooks. But when you watch an English movie, you understand maybe 30%. It's frustrating, and it makes you wonder, is something wrong with me? No, nothing is wrong with you. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to train your ear to understand native speakers. Here's the truth. Movies are hard, and there's a reason. Native speakers talk fast. They use slang. They mumble. They have different accents. The English you learned in textbooks? It's not the same as real English. Textbooks teach you perfect, clean sentences, but real people don't talk like textbooks. Here's the good news. This means you're not broken. You just need different training. And movies, they're actually the best training ground because that's where real English lives. So let me share with you a 5-step method that actually works. I call it the movie training method. Step 1. Start with familiar territory. Don't start with a brand new movie. Pick something you've already seen, maybe twice, maybe 10 times. When you already know the story, your brain doesn't have to work so hard on what is happening. Instead, it can focus on how things are being said, the rhythm, the sounds, the natural flow. Pro tip: animated movies and romantic comedies are easier than action films. Clearer speech, less background noise. Step 2. The subtitle ladder. This is where most people go wrong. They try to jump straight to no subtitles, and they fail. Instead, think of it as a ladder with 3 rungs. Level 1. Native language subtitles. Chinese, Spanish, whatever your language is. This connects meaning to sound. Level 2. English subtitles. Now you're seeing the exact words while hearing them. Your brain starts connecting. Level 3. No subtitles. You've built the foundation. Now you can fly without training wheels. Spend 2 to 4 weeks at each level before moving up. Don't rush it. Your brain needs time to rewire. Step 3. Active listening technique. Here's a mistake I see all the time. People watch a whole movie and hope something sticks. That's passive. It doesn't work. You need to be active. Watch in 5-minute chunks, short bursts, full focus. When you hit a confusing scene, stop, rewind, watch it again, maybe twice, maybe 3 times. And here's a powerful technique: shadowing. Repeat what the characters say out loud right after they say it. It feels silly at first, but it trains your mouth and your ear at the same time. Double the learning. Step 4. Use context clues. Here's something that might surprise you. You don't need to understand every single word. Even native speakers don't catch every word. They fill in the gaps with context. Watch the body language. It tells 50% of the story. Look at the scene, the setting, the music, the facial expressions. All of these are clues. If someone is crying and saying words you don't understand, you still know they're sad. That's comprehension too. Step 5. Consistent daily exposure. This is the most important step, and the one most people skip. 20 minutes every day beats 2 hours once a week, every time. Your brain needs repetition. It needs consistency. That's how neural pathways form. Think of it like going to the gym. One massive workout won't make you fit, but small sessions every day transform your body. After 3 months of daily practice, you'll notice something amazing. Movies start making sense. Like magic, but it's not magic. It's your brain rewiring. Now here's something you can try tonight. A quick win to get you started. Pick one movie you love, something you've seen before, something you actually enjoy. Tonight, watch just 10 minutes with English subtitles on. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 phrases you didn't know, just 3. This tiny habit, repeated daily, compounds into fluency. Small steps lead to big transformations. I want to leave you with this thought. Every fluent English speaker was once exactly where you are right now, struggling, frustrated, wondering if they'd ever get it. This is a skill, not a talent. It doesn't require special gifts. It just takes practice. Consistent, patient practice. Start tonight And in 3 months, you'll thank yourself. If this helped you, subscribe for more English learning tips. I'll see you in the next one.